Hey, look what the cat dragged in. You in the wrong place, boy. What you doing wandering around my alley? That's not your alley anymore.
Whoa! Oh my god! Really? Is that really your voice? Are you serious right now?
Like I was saying, this is my turf now. Get lost! Whoa! Buggy, do you hear that? This is his turf now. Oh, really? Hey, you should tell him to take it from us.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
So how about it, little guy? Take it from us. If you can. Ah, scared now, huh? Just some big tough from a little pup. What? You just thought you could wander in here and get your way? Use your little teeth and bite my neck off? Oh, I see. You thought you was gonna be a hero for the community, huh? And get the big bad wolf out of the neighborhood, huh? Was that your plan? My boy, I got this whole area in my paws. Everyone's scared of me. I got rid of all the biggest dogs in the neighborhood. I have it all. The women, the food, the respect. And what do you have, little pup? What do you have? Numbers. What? Numbers. I have numbers. Numbers? Oh, really? 2 against 1 is not helping you out, Pipsqueak. Buggy? Wait a minute, Buggy? Where you go? Buggy! Where the hell he go? You might be the biggest, might have all that stuff, and you may be tough, but I have numbers. Come here. Like I said, this is our turf now. You got that?
Yes, I understand. Yes, sure.
Good. Whoa. Look at you, man. Calm down, man. Breathe. Just follow my lead. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. In. Out. One more time. In.